Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Guide. Today we are diving into CMF Buds Pro 2, the latest wireless earbuds from nothing sub-brand, CMF. These bad boys promise premium features like active noise cancellation, high-res audio, and a new LIKE smart dial on the case. All for under $60. But do they live up to the hype? Stick around as we unbox, test, and do a full review on them. Let's get started. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. The packaging is sleek and minimal, keeping the CMF vibe with the bold colors. I've got the blue variant here, but they also come in black and white, or as the CMF calls them, dark grey and light grey. And of course, you can also get it in the classic CMF orange. Inside the box, you get the charging case with the pods already nested in, a USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable, and a couple of extra air tips in the small and extra large sizes. The case feels compact and the matte finish is super soft to the touch. And in terms of fingerprint, you can see some if you are really looking for it, but it's not that big of a problem. Now, the star of the show, the customizable smart dial, is not just for looks. You can twist it to control the volume or tap it for playback and ANC modes. But is it practical? Well, it actually depends on you. For me, it's super efficient because I always have the case with me and it's easier to use the smart dial than tapping the buds or reaching out for my phone. But if you are someone who leaves the case behind, the smart dial probably won't be a useful feature for you. The charging case weighs 46 grams and the buds themselves are lightweight at just 4.9 grams each, featuring a matte finish with a glossy tips. They come with an IP55 rating for a dust and water resistance, making them suitable for workouts. They feel absolutely premium for a budget price. Let's talk about design and comfort. The CMF Buds Pro 2 have a snug-in ear fit, and with the right ear tips, they stay put while walking or even running. The stems have touch controls for play, pause, skipping tracks, and targeting NAC. They're customizable via the Nothing X app and they are pretty responsive. Now the big question, how do these sound? The CMF Buds Pro 2 packs a dual driver setup, an 11mm bass driver and a 6mm tweeter. That's rare at this price point, and really delivers. Out of the box, the sound is bass heavy, perfect for hip hop and EDM tracks. Compared to pricier buds like Nothing Ear, these hold their own, but they don't quite match the clarity at max volume. Still, for $59, these are insanely good value. And about active noise cancellation, CMF claims up to 50 dB of noise reduction, and it's decent. In adaptive mode, it handles low frequency harms like traffic or AC units well, while high-pitched sounds like chatter or horns sneak through. Transparency mode is solid. You can hear announcements or have a quick chat without taking the buds out. It's not as natural as something like AirPods Pro, but it gets the job done. For cars, the 6 HD mics with the Clear Voice Technology 2.0 do a respectable job. However, windy conditions can still cause some interference despite the wind flow design. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection. I had no dropouts during the testing. Multiple pairing lets you connect to two devices at once, which is awesome for switching between your phone, your laptop, or your tablet. There is also a low latency mode for gaming, keeping the audio perfectly in sync. Battery life is a highlight of CMF Buds Pro 2. You can get up to 11 hours from the buds alone with ANC off, or around 6 hours with it on, with the case that jumps up to a total of 43 hours without ANC. The Nothing X app is when you unlock the full potential of Buds Pro 2. You can tweak the EQ, customize touch controls, and set up the smart dial. I programmed the dial to adjust volume and pause tracks. Alright, let's break it down. Pros: better sound for a price, long battery life, customizable controls, and that unique smart pad. Cons: ANC is average, touch controls can be a little bit inconsistent, and the case might feel bulky for some. For under $60, CMF Buds Pro 2 comes well above their weight. They are not perfect, but for most users, they are an absolute steal. So, are the CMF Buds Pro 2 worth it? Absolutely, if you have feature-packed earbuds without breaking the bank. They are great for music, calls, and even gaming. What do you think? Are these your next earbuds? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know what tech you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell for more tech videos. See you in the next one.